Okay, so typically from clients that I've worked with that are in the restaurant space, they are using another system, right, for actually processing credit card payments through for, um, customers that come in and eat, right, or have a drink at the bar. So we're using another system for that, and then those other systems will typically have an end of day report that'll give us a breakout of what the earnings were for the day and how that broke out into those different categories. Sometimes we may have, more extensive lists. There may be departments in those other systems. So we may have, appetizers, catering, food, beverage, dessert, right? We may have all of those different kind of categories set up in our other system, and we'll be entering in some of those transactions. I did also go ahead in my items list. I've got a couple, right? So if I had, just bar sales and food sales, that's an example from that outside system, I would have those items set up. Now I've set up bar sales just to go to the account food sales. Some folks will also have, bar sales pointed to its own specific income account. And then also, so I've got food sales kind of set up the same way, right? It's pointing to that food sales income account. And then I also have tips, and tips, we're going to point that to that other current liability account that we created so that we can record, right, the monies that are coming in from those employee tips, but that's not our revenue, right? That money is going to be paid back to the employees. So I'm just going to say okay here. And then let's get into recording of transactions.